Hi, this is Jarvis Cloud Sr. at Day1Marketing Inc, where online marketing begins. I'm glad to present to you your free marketing course, 100% free from myself and Day1Marketing Inc. Please like and subscribe to our YouTube channel, Day1Marketing Inc. Additional free marketing courses, free software, and tools will always be provided in the links in the description below as well. Thank you again from Jarvis Cloud Sr. and Day1Marketing Inc. Enjoy.
Conclusion. Now I hope you enjoyed this course, and Facebook marketing can be a lot of fun because there's a lot of things to discover, but it can also get very expensive if you don't know what you're doing. Now, using all of the proven promotion methods we've covered in this training means you can start your Facebook promotion campaigns with the best chance of success. I really hope you enjoyed this course, and on behalf of myself, Alex Copeland, Richard Fairburn, and the Online Success Model team, we hope you take this information and take action.
What?